Hey, good morning, Charlotte. Hey, I wanted just to send you a quick message. I have agents asking me all the time, how do we farm? How do we get leads? How do we get our business? What neighborhood should we choose? How do we do our farming? How much money should we spend? What tools can we use that Coldwell Banker gives to us that has no cost? And also, what money should we spend in order if we were going to do something outside? Also, when we think about doing open houses, how do we do them? How do we pick the open houses? How do we market to those open houses, and how do we have a successful one in order for us to be able to grab those leads, those seller leads as well as those buyer leads? So if you have any of those questions, if that's what you're wanting to know, if you need to grow your business in 2020 and you're looking for different ways to do your prospecting, then do not miss this Thursday's class on Thursday, March the 5th, which is about farming in the morning, which is a 2-hour class from 10 to 12. And then there is open houses in the afternoon from 1 to 3. Make sure you check out that schedule. Let me know if you have any questions. I cannot wait to help you grow your business in 2020. Get your leads and become successful. See you in class.